Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at three top altcoins to buy right now on the dip. So right now in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 3.76%. If we take a look down here, top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be Orchid, which is up about 15%, trading around 34 cents. We have highest volume is Bitcoin like usual. So Bitcoin is trading at around 33,000. It's pretty much flat for Bitcoin. I mean, it's up or down about 0.77%, so almost about a percent down. Now, Ethereum, on the other hand, is down about 4.3%, outdoing Bitcoin right there, outperforming it on the downside. We have Binance Coin, which is down about 3.37, Cardano 3.37, Ripple's down 2%, Doge is down 5%, Doge coming back close to that 20 cents area. And then most of these other altcoins are down about 2 or 3%. Then we have some that are a little bit higher, like Solana, down 8% or so, and some of these other coins as well. But most of them are down between 2 and 4% on average. So those are obviously good buying opportunities for anybody that is investing in these cryptos for the long term. So guys, before we get into this list, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. As always, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We're almost at 37,000 subscribers, guys. We're almost there, so go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. Check out the link in the description and leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now? So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. So this one is down about 3.3% today, trading at $1.34. So this one hit lows at about 129 at one point. And now in the past week, it's actually pretty much flat. On the 1 month chart, Cardano is down about 15.8%. On the 1 year chart, it is up almost 1,000%. So close to about 971%, which is just insane gains right there. So if you would have invested about $1,000, that would be worth around $10,000 right now in profit. So that is some nice gains, obviously, in a year for anybody that bought in last July when it was worth around 12 cents, 13 cents or so per coin. It went to highs of 246 here when we had the green coin pop. So obviously when everybody was getting into the renewable or thought about the greener coins, Cardano boomed from about 155 to highs of about 246 or so, and then literally within days we came back to that 150 area once again, and now we've been consolidating around this 130 140 area for the past month and a half or 2 months now, and we've just been going back and forth. So obviously on the all-time chart here, we see in 2017 the previous peak that we had here in the bull market, it hit about $1 area, pulled back down all the way to the lows, like we said, about 4 cents, 5 cents at one point last year during the market crash. And then we've been on an up and up and up. And now we saw this boom, obviously, in 2021. So this coin is still doing very great for the past year or so. Market cap at 41.6 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.6 billion, and then the circulating supply is around 31.9 billion. So Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. Now, the blockchain's native token, ADA, is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. So that is, the little bit of a history behind Cardano and what it does. Obviously, for any, crypto fans, you guys definitely know about Cardano. It is one of the, top coins that people are trading right now. Market cap, as you guys can see, is a little bit higher on the 41.6 billion upside, right there. So at one point, it was close to 100 billion market cap at the peak that we saw in April/May. So Cardano definitely has a lot of potential for the future, in my opinion. Obviously, that is my opinion, but I think that Cardano could be worth around $5 to $10 in the next 10 to 20 years, obviously. So there's a lot of upside, in my opinion, where Cardano could benefit from it, especially as more people get into crypto and crypto becomes more, worldwide accepted, I guess you could say. And then obviously, as we're looking for a greener coin, Cardano is definitely fitting that description for us. And a lot of these coins actually on this list fit that description as well. And that's something that is popular right now, is these greener coins that have potential for the future, over Bitcoin and some of these other coins that are not as green or renewable, I guess you could say. So that is our number one altcoin. And then our number two pick is going to be Aave. So Aave, we definitely talked about this one many times, trading at around $300 per coin almost. It's down about 0.78%, so almost a percent. And then on the 1 week chart, it's actually up 29%. So this coin's been doing very well in the past week. In the past month, down about 9%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is up 57,000%, guys. 57%, 57,000. So, when it started trading here in October, as you can see, it was trading around 51 cents, went to highs here of over $670, which is just insane for anybody that bought in October at the beginning. They were up over 100,000%. So even just one coin, you would have made a lot of money right there. Decent profits, obviously. Even if you had a few coins, just some lunch money or some spare change they found in your piggy bank, you would have been, making some decent gains in a matter of less than a year if you would have sold here at the top. And even if you didn't sell at the top, I mean, at these prices at $300 per coin and you paid for it, 50 cents or so, you made a huge return, in my opinion. If I was to invest 50 cents and came back with $300, that would be an insane return, and I would take that any day. I would sign the papers right here if I could. Obviously, we've been trading around this level right now. Pulled back down, actually, under $200 right here in June, and now we've been on an uptrend again. So if anybody bought that dip, that was a nice dip buying opportunity. Now, market cap on this one is 3.6 billion. So in my opinion, AVE has a lot of room to grow. Obviously, once again, we had the similar pattern here with Cardano where, popped on higher here as the green coin trend came upon us. Volume in the past 24 hours at right under 700 million. Circulating supply 12.8 million. So AVE is an Ethereum token that powers AVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable, interest rate. So AVE is definitely one of those other coins that I could definitely see, doing a 10x very easily in the next couple of years, which would give it around a 36 to 40 billion market cap, and that would just be a 10x. So $1,000 could potentially be worth around $10,000, and that's only at the 36 billion market cap. I would not be surprised if AVE's market cap was trading at around 100 billion plus in the next 10 to 20 years. But that's obviously just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so all of this is only for entertainment purposes. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing, obviously, because cryptocurrency is high risk, high reward. The volatility is insane, even higher than the stock market. And even in the stock market, if you don't know what you're doing, you should definitely speak to your financial advisor, guys. So AVE is our second coin. Our third coin is going to be EOS. So EOS, another green coin on this list. So all three of these coins have been very green, and that's something we like. Low market cap of only 3.4 billion market cap. Once again, plenty of room to grow, just like with AVE. Trading at $3.59, down about 3% today. In the past week, it's down about 8.5%. Past month, 29% down. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is only up 35%, guys. So this coin has not made many gains actually over the past year or so. So it's lagging behind the rest of the crypto world. It was trading at 250, now it's trading at 350. So, this is kind of like returns that you would see in the stock market in the past year or so if you were investing into some tech or growth. So obviously at one point it did reach close to about $15 or so in May and then pulled back down. So we went from about $6 to $15 and then came back down to about $4. So that huge pop here that we saw, in mid-May or beginning of May was just insane in all of these green, altcoins that we see on our list. So volume in the past 24 hours at 819 million. So EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with the new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. So obviously that is what EOS does and how it works. So definitely another coin to add to your radar, guys, to see how it's going to perform. So, those are our three altcoins that we are definitely watching for dip buying opportunities for the future. And, especially if we believe that those coins are going to be doing very well in the next, 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. We see these rallies, every couple of years happen in the crypto market. Right now, we're in a little bit of a consolidation period, but that is okay because we were a little bit overbought at one point. So, that's something just to take a into consideration and see how it works out. So Bitcoin now is actually pretty much flat actually in the past 24 hours. As we talked through this video, 612 billion market cap past week, down about 1%, so it's pretty much flat. 1 month pretty much flat once again. So as we've been saying, Bitcoin has been trading in this range since about May 19th, so about 2 months now. We've been trading between 30,000 and 40,000 depending on the momentum of Bitcoin, but obviously it is a good for day traders or people that are trying to get in for a short term, so they can try to get close to that 30,000 area and try to sell closer to that 38 to 40,000 area on the upside. So you can make some decent gains buying on the lows, selling on the highs, and a lot of people are doing that right now. Obviously, Bitcoin's still up over 259% in the past year or so, and that's still a decent return. Obviously, in the crypto market, that might not seem like a lot, but in the regular world, in the stock market, that is a huge return. Obviously, over 200%. Now, Ethereum's down about 3.7%, a little bit worse than Bitcoin. In the past week, it's pretty much trading flat, only up about 2%, and then 1 month chart down 14%. But on the 1 year chart, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, up about 788%. From about $239 to $2,100 now. We did hit that high, obviously, of $4,400, and now we've been consolidating around this $2,000 area for the past 2 months. So same pretty much pattern as Bitcoin. We've been in this consolidation period. So obviously, once again, same opportunities, buying on the lows, selling on the highs for any day traders or people that want to get in and out in just a few days or so. So market cap at 241.9 billion on Ethereum, and obviously Ethereum is our number one coin on this channel. We believe in Ethereum for the long term, that it will outpace Bitcoin in the next 20 to 30 years or so. Doge is down about 4.6%. Actually hit lows down here about 19 cents or so. So I told you guys to watch for that area. If we go under 20 cents, it could be bad. We could see a pull all the way down to about 15 cents. And then if it goes under 15 cents, that's when you should really start to worry, in my opinion, because Doge is a meme, guys. It is still a meme coin. This coin was only going up on memes, so there is no real value to Doge, in my opinion. Now it's trading at 21 cents. Past week is down about 15% from about 25 cents all the way down to about 20 cents now. Past month down 36%. Past year it's up 4,500%, but that is trickling on down from those highs of 77 cents that we saw in May, and it's just been continuously going down and down. So hopefully you didn't get stuck bag holding this because of all that hype that was going around the SNL show and Tesla and Elon Musk. So right now Doge is on the downtrend and it's not looking good for it. Where the bottom will be, nobody knows, but if crypto continues to be red for the next few months, I would not be surprised if Doge goes under 15 or even potentially 10 cents in the next few months. And that's not going to be something nice to see, because there's a lot of people that are trading that because it is easy to acquire, and it was very, very cheap on Robinhood and some of these other apps that you guys are trading on. So definitely something to keep in the back of your head to see how it's going to perform. But guys, those were the 3 altcoins and just the rest of the market, how it's performing. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300. Links will be in the description for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend.